and the relationship between the task and task catalog. So today we will be creating a work center. How to create a work center? There is a transaction called PO01. Either you can go through this SAP Easy Access path under Human Resources, then Organization Management. Under Organization Management, under Expert mode, you can see there is one node with the transaction and the description of the transaction. So we will be creating the work center. So for that, we will be using this transaction code PO01. We will be giving some abbreviation, for example, work center for HR. I will be selecting the all period. I will be creating this work center from the 1190 to 311299. I will be selecting this object, click on create. Okay. So I will be giving one of abbreviation as WCHR, or we can give as work center for HR. So I will be giving the abbreviation at the object name as work center HR. Once I create this object, it will be asking either I can create the relationship for this object from work center to position, or from position to work center. So I'm creating directly a relationship from here. I will click on relationship. I will click on create. So this work center will be coming under the position. So I will be using the bottom up relationship tab, and relationship tip will be, because we are maintaining under different objects, different kind of objects. So I will be belongs to the position, and position I will be using one of the position which I have created. Let me search for that position. Under IBM created one position as HR, so I will be searching for my org unit. I will be looking for my org unit abbreviation. Here, so I will be using the senior HR. So this work center is created for the position as senior HR. We have created the relationship among them. So that's how we create a work center, and that's how we set up the relationship among them. Work center HR for position senior HR. So now we are going